So I'm seizing the opportunity and we're going to show this car a little bit of rough terrain, if you want to call it that way. So we entered some kind of forest trail, I thought, but this is a little bit spicier than I thought it was at the beginning. And there's quite some debris on it. To be honest, this wasn't really what I was planning to do. But so far, the car is managing it. Whoa, even though we're getting dangerously close to some sides and some poles here on the side. But we are still going for now. This is a full testament on how tough this car is. I hope it comes across on camera, but this is no joke. This is... Wow. 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 So, what I thought was a small forest trail turned out to be a full-on tractor all the way up to a farm, impossible kind of trail. You probably can't see it. I'll put some B-roll in. Wow, what a machine. The mud is up onto the roof. There were ditches in there that were not possible with any other car. Insane, absolutely crazy. This is one hell of a vehicle.